Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford Fusion backup camera, step by step. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a trim removal tool, a 10mm wrench, and an 11mm socket. Also, grab a T20 Torx driver and some needle nose pliers. Don't forget dielectric grease for electrical connections. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother and more efficient for you. Now, let's get started by accessing the camera. Open your trunk lid and use a trim tool to carefully remove the 5 to 6 plastic push clips holding the trunk liner in place. Gently pull the liner down to reveal the camera housing. Next, you will need to remove both taillight assemblies. Each taillight is secured by 3 11mm nuts. Carefully unthread these nuts and disconnect the electrical connectors before setting the taillights aside. With the trunk liner and taillights out of the way, you can now access the camera housing. This housing is typically held by 4 10mm nuts. Carefully remove these nuts. Once the housing is loose, disconnect the electrical harness from the camera by squeezing its locking tab and pulling it apart. Then, locate the small T20 Torx screw that secures the camera itself. Remove this screw, and the old camera will slide right out of its position. It's time to install your new camera. Carefully plug in the new camera's electrical connector, ensuring it clicks securely. Apply a small amount of dielectric grease to prevent corrosion. Secure the camera with its T20 Torx screw. Reinstall the camera housing using the 4 10mm nuts. Then, reattach both taillight assemblies, plugging in their electrical connectors and tightening the 3 11mm nuts each. Finally, secure the trunk lid liner with its clips. Before closing the trunk, test the camera to ensure it functions correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.